Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to edit your MS Word file online without any software. So guys, very simple and basic way, just open any web browser and type here Office Online. Press enter. Now guys, here you will see Microsoft Word office.live.com for free with an online version of Microsoft Word. Save documents in one try, share them with others and work together at the same time. So just click here. If it will require sign in process, so sign in with your Microsoft account, enter your email and password, and if you not have Microsoft account, so create your account freely and sign in. Enter your email address, then click on enter your email address and sign in. Now here you can edit your file. If you not see your file here, so just your save file in OneDrive. Once you save your file in OneDrive, make sure you save your file in this related email address, so you can edit and you can customize your data here. And then just you have to click on save file and save it, and just save it. Control S. You can save as, and also you can download a copy for your computer. You can download as PDF, and also guys, you can download as ODT. So this is the way guys you can edit your MS Word file online without using any software. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.